Welcome. If you've ever wanted more control over what people say on your Snapchat posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable manual approval for comments on your snaps, so nothing gets posted without your say-so. Snapchat has been rolling out more privacy features, and this one is especially useful if you want to keep things positive, filter out spam, or simply review comments before anyone else sees them. Let's get right into it. Start by opening your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page. From there, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Notifications menu, keep scrolling until you see Privacy Control. Under that section, tap on Comment Settings. This is where you can manage how comments appear on your content. You'll see a few options here, but the one you're looking for is Manually Approve. Select it, and that's it. From now on, any comments on your snaps won't be visible to others until you approve them first.